I think someone here with the temperance energy is trying to tame himself or herself right here. But for some reason, this person could be thinking that what if we're meant to be? What if me and collective is really meant for each other? Whoever this individual is, this person here wants new beginning here with you. I'm hearing the word rebirth. So yeah, however this individual is, could be someone that you had history with, but let's see. This person here wants to heal the connection. That's what I'm picking up. Whoa, look at that. You're appearing as the Queen of Swords energy. I do see that this is your energy here. I'm picking up that with the Queen of Swords energy, this is you. You are really raising your sword right here, making a firm decision here about the situation. And, okay, you look scary here. You look scary here because this person is scared of what you are about to say or what you are about to tell to him or her directly. So let's see what that is. Someone's afraid of what you are about to say. Let's see. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, angels and spirit guides. Thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my collective people. This is for any zodiac sign, so just take only what resonates, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and check other infos. Oh, Nine of Swords energy. Four of Cups, Five of Coins. So yeah, let me just lay all the energies first on the table before we start talking more about this. Right at the center of this reading is this. And I just heard the word yes. So let's keep moving. Oh, so you're preparing to say yes to someone here. Might be someone new that came into your life recently, or this is something here like a prediction to singles. Okay, if there are singles watching here right now, I do see that this is something here that might happen in the near future for you guys, that you will definitely choosing to say yes to a new love or a new connection right here. But for others of you, there could already be, a conversation going on, like there's a back and forth messages right here, coming from both sides between you and this new person here. And I think this person here, definitely you're being drawn with this person here in a deep level. So I do see that if this person here is already connecting to you, this new person here is who you're going to choose. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up. So I do see an energy here of another person, but let me just lay all the energies first on the table before we start digging. Oh, okay. Three of Wands energy, the Chariot, and there's this Four of Coins energy. Okay, let me just fix the screen. Okay, so hi and hello there, collective. Thank you so much for being here with me, sweethearts. And hi and hello, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here, and of course, this is timeless as well. So, just take only what resonates here with you guys. So, yeah, I do see, okay, that there is also another energy other than the new love here. I do see an energy here of someone. Yeah, someone's mind is being blown up. by this situation here involving you guys. I do sense that this is someone here that you've rejected for quite a long time already, or you've rejected right here in the past. So whatever the case may be, I do see that you are leaving someone here out in the cold. And this could be an energy here of someone who is wanting to reconcile with you. Might be your past lover. Yeah. Might be one of your past lover right here. I do see that this person's mind, yeah, look at that. We have here the Five of Wands energy and there's this Ace of Swords. I'm seeing that someone's mind right here is really blowing up, and this person here is stressing a lot about this message or about this news that he or she is going to receive. I do see that there is some kind of a presence here of a friend or someone here that you both know. Might be common individual that you both know. I do see like this person here is about to send some kind of message or deliver some kind of a news about you, and it might be saying yes to new love. Okay, so your past lover right here will be in a panic mode. I do see that this person here will definitely be stressing about this. I'm seeing someone here having sleepless nights because you are deciding here to go for new love, and I do see that this past person right here really wants to reconcile with you, but I do see you Six of Wands energy, Ace of Cups right here, and there's this Knight of Swords. I do see that this is you. You are really certain, you are really adamant to say yes or to accept the offer of love of the new person who entered your life recently, or who will enter your life right here. New connection, new love. That's what I'm picking up here, sweethearts. So I do see that your past lover here will go crazy about the situation here. It's like this person here will have a lot of pressure. This person here will try to make a decision right here to rush into you, try to stop you from saying yes to this new love. I do see that with this 12 Wands energy, Knight of Swords, and there's this Judgment, this past lover right here will definitely try to stop you, will definitely try to make a bold move right here to reach out to you, talk to you, especially in person, trying to stop you from um, having this new love in your life. Why? Because he or she wants to rekindle and reconcile here with you guys. He or she wants to revive your connection, but I do see that it is already uh, something that already ended. So I do see that this person here is now in a panic mode, or will be in a panic mode right here. Remember, this is timeless. But as soon as he or she gets this news right here, he or she will definitely be shocked and surprised that this is enough for him or her to rush into you and will stop you from saying yes to this new love right here. Yeah, this is the energy here of someone who is afraid that it might be too late for the both of you to reconcile and to rekindle your relationship before. Yeah, with your past lover right here. But I don't think that this is something here that you are still wanting to have with your past lover, because I do see that with this Three of Wands energy, the Chariot, and there that Four of Coins, I do see that this is you've already turned your back from the past. Yeah, behind you. You left your past behind you already. You already moved on from the past right here. So I don't think that it's still necessary for you to be able to go back with this past lover right here, because I do see you making adamant decision right here to accept new love in your life. You are now wanting that new, passionate beginning here when it comes to love with a new person already. And I do see that with the Chariot card right here, Three of Wands and Four of Coins, strong message that I'm picking up. You are someone here who is now sure that you will keep this new love with you forever. So yeah, I'm seeing you right here accepting new love, accepting here a new relationship in your life. And for others of you, it could be already, in a relationship with that new person, and then this might be a marriage proposal and you are about to say yes to that person here, wanting to settle down with this person, having a family, having a home with whatever that is, marriage proposal, if there are already connection happening, or there could be, something here that this person here would like to be your girlfriend or your boyfriend right here, wanting to be in a relationship with you. Whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you accepting the offer of love coming from the new individual that will show up or that already showed up in your life. But regardless of what that is, I still see this past lover here coming in, rushing in towards you. And even though you've already rejected this past lover before, I do see that this person here will still try to persuade you, to convince you to come back to him or her. But I don't think that it's still necessary. It's too late if this is your reading. I do see you here accepting new love instead of going back with your ex person. So I'm seeing that this ex of yours right here is really having a hard time digesting this situation, trying to make here that bold move, trying to come up with a strategy right here on how to fully convince you to go back in the relationship that you once had before. And yeah, I do see this person here is really in panic. This person here is having a lot of mixed feelings and emotions. This person here afraid that it might be too late. This person here sad because you might reject him or her again. This person here is really having that hopeless feeling about the situation, but still wanting to make movements right here. Yeah. I do not see this person here just sitting around in a corner, but I'm seeing this person here making a lot of movements to try to stop you from having this new relationship in your life. Yeah, I'm seeing this person here is having a lot of regrets, and at the same time is really very jealous of this new love you have in your life, or will be jealous when this new love arrives in your life, because you are going to choose the new love over this past lover right here. I'm seeing you really totally leaving your past lover out in the cold, moving forward here as fast as you could in your new life, in new love, in new connection right here. And I'm seeing you, okay, doing it because you know that in this type of connection, in this type of new connection that you are uh are in right now, I do see that this is something here that you see positive outcome in the future. I do see that this is you. You are also seeing something beautiful out of this new connection that you have or that you will have right now. I do see you here accepting your new fate, new destiny right here, and really sure that you are really wanting to move past from whatever it is that happened in your past relationship. So I do see that this is you. You are not really going back with your ex, but you might, talk with your ex person right here, because I do see that your past lover will definitely try to confront you, and you will definitely confess to him or her that you are now in love with the new person that had recently entered your life, or that will soon enter your life right here. I do see that this is something here that will definitely crush your past lover's world after hearing you confessing your love with the new person in your life. Yeah. This past lover here is having lots of regrets because he or she did let you go. But I do see that this past lover here will definitely having a hard time to digest this situation here because you are totally, completely, fully leaving him or her behind you. So I do see that this past lover right here, I think he or she is not used with you having this type of energy of, trying to push him or her away because you are showing that you are very loving, very caring of him in the past, okay? But you are really showing a different side right now that you are really sending him or her strong message that you are no longer in love with him or her and that you are now in a very passionate, loving relationship with the new person in your life. If that is your decision, just go for it. Whatever it is that you think you deserve and that will make you happy, just go for it. Okay, just keep doing what you're doing. This past lover right here will definitely, have a hard time or difficult time right here moving forward with his or her life without you. But okay, this is none of your business anymore. So, just spread your wings here and then fly as high, okay, with lots of happiness in your life. And whatever it is that you are wanting to do, always, always trust your intuition and always, always choose your happiness. Your main priority must be your happiness. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages I've got here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this message here to all of you. Okay? Love and light.